This is how I make my entrance. Don't touch it. I'm gonna choke, so don't. Can you promise? Now move over there. And don't touch
You need to trust me.
Okay, and if you do
The other puzzle you want.
just don't touch me.
I'm not. We pinky promise. I can't break that.
Okay.
What kind of person breaks a pinky promise?
Okay, psych, I'm about to like break this.
Need help?
No.
Okay, wait. I have to intro you.
Why?
Why not?
Flying high like the birds and the bees and
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today,
Wait, are you really starting like that?
yeah.
But you're like eating as you're talking. Like, hi.
We're gonna be doing something that we already did before. This is part 2. We're part 2. We're doing a yoga challenge video with, you guessed it.
Me.
So this is the intro.
Yeah, and
But it's okay. Don't worry. We're gonna do the actual video in the last place we
in
did
the
it.
iconic room. But many people have been like requesting for us to do a part 2, so that's why we're doing it. And we're like trying it.
By many people, she means one person.
They don't have to know that.
I picked the yoga challenge poses last time, and this time Sierra chose them. And guess what?
The last
Oh, if you haven't watched the other yoga challenge videos, definitely go check that out after. Because it was a really funny video, and that got quite a lot of views. So we're doing a part 2. Okay, you want to go in the other room?
Yeah. Okay, so now let's go to the other room.
Oh, no, Sierra's camera the other way, please.
Oh my god, where are we? We're in the room. See, we dropped it on the floor.
I know,
Then we
somebody-
What? We're not fighting! Oh, I hate daylight. This is depressing.
This is how we opened the other video.
By moving it?
Moving something. Yeah. Why is it like that? It's only like bright right here.
Wait, was I on this side in the original video?
I'm gonna check.
Well, it flips.
No, it doesn't. We discussed this. It doesn't flip. Why do we look the same from 10 months ago?
I think I look different.
You look a little different, but I look the exact same.
So,
You need to scoot over
why?
so I can put the picture there.
We're starting out easy with this. Okay?
Wait, why'd you save them like that?
I'll
Sierra,
crop
you didn't.
it. Okay, we can do that later. We'll figure it out later.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will!
You're gonna make me do it.
I'll do it.
Wait, are you doing it out of order? Don't do it out of order.
Why?
Because then we're gonna get it mixed up.
I won't get it mixed up. Yes, you will.
Okay, so our first pose is this.
I forgot how difficult this is.
I think, should I be on the bottom or I think I should be on the top.
You definitely should be on the top. Okay, let's start this.
Okay, so you can be, you gotta be there. Scoop, you gotta stretch your arms.
Ow, my legs aren't flexible.
But see, remember it switches in the camera, so technically you would be on this side. Okay,
We're not doing anything inappropriate, by the way. I just want to say that right now.
ow! Maybe I should be the one like this. Ow, that hurts so bad.
Can we just mirror them?
My
Oh,
butt.
I have to go way back there? Okay, you have to like seriously stretch your butt up. So you have to come in the camera. You ready?
Oh.
Wait, my stomach shook.
We got it. Okay.
Ow!
What the heck, Sierra?
To the wall.
Okay, well, we like got that.
We got that quick.
Okay, this one's like.
Oh,
Okay, next.
he's right there.
Okay. Oh wait, who's gonna be who?
You need to be on top.
You think I'm at the? Okay, fine.
You're more flexible than me.
Okay, you can be on the bottom. Okay.
Back. I feel like you should go on back first, and then I'll get up. So go like this, and then I'll just go like this. See what I mean?
Oh, true. Okay.
Okay, go back.
I can't. Yeah, you gotta get up.
You broke my back, bro. You got. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Yes. Scoot up a little. Okay. Here, wait. I just like won't put all.
You have to though, Sarah. Are you sure your legs are in the right spot?
Yes,
Your legs need to go up and then you
I
need to
know,
do it quick.
Sierra, but I can't.
I'll freeze frame it. You just gotta go quick, okay?
Okay.
Go, Sierra.
I'm trying. I gotta start.
My legs like shit.
I broke my legs off. Ow. Oh, we're still going?
Yeah. Ow! You stepped on my feet. My arms are like shaking, bro.
Serious. Okay, I think we're done with this one.
No, we have to do it.
We did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did. I grabbed my hands and my feet were up a little, so
Okay,
we can
fine.
make it work.
Okay, next. Up the bottom. Okay, so how are we gonna execute this?
Yeah, I think you should lay down first,
Mhm.
but like get in position to push up, and then I'll push up, and then you push up.
Okay.
So this looks so bad.
We're not doing anything inappropriate.
Okay.
No, it's the other foot. It's the other foot. It's this foot.
No,
right here.
it's not.
It is. It's that foot.
Okay.
Wanna fix that, okay? Ready?
Do not lift me backwards.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm up.
Dude, Ow.
Let's do it one more time.
Supper's ready in like 2 minutes.
Okay. Should we just like stop the video and like continue after?
No, I say we should finish it now.
Okay, here's the next pose.
I can't fit it right there. You have to scoot over more.
Yes, you can. There.
I'm mad at Sierra, just so you guys know that. You guys
Yeah,
probably
me
don't
and
know why,
me
but
and
Sierra.
We literally just got in a 30-minute argument, but
Yeah, because
Okay.
she's saying mean stuff to people.
to
And-
one person.
Yeah.
Okay. Ow! Sierra, wait.
You don't hold your foot.
No, wait, put your feet down first and let me get up. Get your feet, no, put your hands down. What are you doing? Oh, I got it.
Oh, my neck. Or should I bounce both your feet at once? Wait, you did not do it right. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh, my elbow is digging into the carpet. Cheeks. Oh my gosh! That hurt. We're going quick.
For real, we got dinner to eat. Oh, okay, I think you should be on the bottom, or should I?
I want to be on top. Okay, let's try.
We'll try with you on the bottom.
I think you stand on my legs first, and then you help boost me up.
No, I think you need to grab my hands and get into this position while you're holding me, and then I'll.
Oh, it's gonna burn my thighs. You ready?
Alright. Get down.
Oh, jeez. My thighs already burned.
This is
from
not
doing
gonna
that.
work. This is
How
not-
is she in like such a sitting position?
I don't know how she's doing it. Okay. It's gonna work.
Should we just continue this after? Look how much taller you are than me.
Yeah. Let's
Okay, we're gonna continue this when we're done eating because we're kind of rushing it, and I don't like how we're rushing it. So we're back 5 hours later. We're gonna finish, and I had to force Sierra to do it. Scoot over more.
But we're not doing this one anymore because
Yes, we are.
You're right. It really hurts. I think it's stop.
Then I'll be on top.
No, I cannot be on the bottom either. Okay, we're moving
You're the
on.
one that picked it. Okay,
So-
we're moving. No, we can't move on. I don't want to
Sierra,
give up.
we
I don't want
already-
to give up.
We literally did it already.
We did it already. Insert the clip. Okay,
Okay,
next one.
Next one right here. And
Am I holding you?
um.
I think I should just throw you over my shoulder like I did last time.
Oh, true, but then we're gonna have to be like backwards. Oh no, I'll just go into a headstand on the wall. I'm in a handstand on the wall. Then flip my legs over.
okay, okay,
Alright,
yeah.
we're gonna go like this.
Yeah, you gotta go up like that.
Watch out. Get in position.
Okay, you got it. You gotta go up all the way.
Here, I will literally get down. Ow, 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 seriously.
What just popped?
My shoulder, my neck, my finger.
What was I doing wrong?
I don't know, but I think we did it.
No, we
did it. Serious. And let me
Let's just do it again.
Okay, but you have to let me stay on the ground. It's a calm motion. It's not a let me throw you over. You literally, all you have to do is grab my feet.
You gotta scoot closer to the wall when you do that.
Sarah, that doesn't even matter. You just have to grab my ankles.
Okay.
And do not drop me because I almost paralyzed myself.
I just.
Okay.
Is that my scrunchie?
I don't know, but after this, I'm eating some cereal. Yeah, I look at my hair. It's pretty cute.
It's so cute.
Thanks.
Is that it? Oh. You ready?
Okay, it's a calm motion. Grab my ankle.
Okay.
Now grab my. Okay, stop my back, Sierra. I told you not to drop me.
I didn't drop you.
You could have just pushed my feet back, and instead you dragged them with you as you fell. You put me on the floor. I wanted to be put back on the wall.
How was I supposed to know that?
Because I explained this earlier.
Oh, you did.
That's enough of that.
No, Sierra.
Sierra, we literally
Sierra.
got it. We literally already
No,
got
we
it.
didn't.
Sierra, yes, we did.
I said we should do it again. The viewers think we should do it again. Don't you guys?
Sierra, what is your version of getting it? We literally got it.
No, we didn't.
You grabbed my ankles, and I was like,
Can we just do it again, please?
Why? How about you try going on this?
Okay, I will.
Jeez. Okay, now get up.
Okay, wait.
Okay, now scoot back, yeah. Do
Yeah.
not do anything yet. Let me grab your ankles.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Oh my gosh, this is scary.
Literally, you can't drop it. Just kick off a little bit.
I am.
Okay.
You're not holding on to my ankle.
Because you're not letting go of the wall.
Yes, I am. I let go, and then you don't. You just fall back. It's not very easy to get up a wall, you know.
I know. Okay.
Jeez.
Okay, now.
Ouch.
Sarah,
What are you doing? I'm giving out. My legs are hurting. You gotta work faster than that.
Okay, let me
You
do
go.
it again. You're too slow.
You're too slow. I get up there, and you're like, let me go very cool.
Look at me. Your eyes are like red.
Yeah, because I'm down there, and the blood is rushing through my eyes.
Okay, I'm trying it.
Okay.
Ow. Okay, we got it.
I got it. Okay, wait, we did it. Ow. I got you.
Oh my god, we did it. Okay.
Okay, wait. I'm supposed to move on the sides here. Do you not understand how this works?
Oh yeah, this one. Oh, this should be really easy. Really easy. You're on the ground because my ankle can obviously. This one we should definitely be able to get like right away. Yeah. Okay, so. Unless Sarah gives out. Okay.
You gotta go quick, okay? You gotta bend back.
No, literally stay still. Do you want to pedal? Sarah,
Why aren't you
I
bending
feel like
back?
you're gonna drop me.
I'm not gonna drop you.
Do not. You
I'm not gonna drop
you
you.
need to leave
I'll
that
pull-
too.
I'll pull- okay.
Yeah, see how he's
I'll pull you back.
See how
Please like the video this hurts.
lean back. What are you doing?
Lean back.
Go lean back. Sarah, I literally could have just broke my ankle. Do you not understand?
You could have crushed my thigh.
Anyways, next.
Yeah, so you broke her ankle. If you haven't watched our pumpkin carving video,
You should watch it. Okay, next.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
Okay,
Okay,
so.
I'll be the bottom one. So how are we gonna do this?
Oh yeah, you gotta start like down on the floor.
I think we're gonna. Ow!
Seriously?
You poked me in the eye with your toe.
No, you gotta push up. No, what are you doing? My arm has to
Oh,
go up
oh,
your shoulder. Ow, 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 ow.
I'm trying to push up like you told
You have to tell me. You can't just stop pushing up.
Sierra pushed my ankle and it popped. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm pushing up. I can feel your finger on my shoulder going like this. I'm pushing up. Ow, my back is literally broken, bro. We did it.
Okay, next. Oh. Okay.
Sierra picks hard ones.
These are.
I want to be this person.
Oh, shoot, that's my bad ankle. Okay, I'll be that person, I guess. Start out like this, and then I'm gonna lift your leg up, and you're gonna start pulling up. Okay? Got it. Are you gonna step on it?
Like this, right?
You don't have to step on the ankle. You just have to step by it. No. Wait, I need some more room.
You
Really need room, or I'm not gonna do it.
Go put it up higher.
Go diagonally.
Ow.
You ready?
Did it work?
Okay, we sort of got it.
Let's do it again.
Okay, it was good enough.
Okay, next one. Okay, this is the last one. It's right here.
And if we end up doing the thingy, either of us could be either. I want to be that one because it works.
Then I'll be the one.
So you gotta put your knees on mine. No, you gotta like flatten your feet.
Oh.
So you gotta get closer.
I do?
Like way closer. And then drop your. And then put. Oh my god, I think we did it.
I can't do your hands.
Ow, ow.
You can't do your hands.
Oh shoot, I don't have room, Sarah. You got it. Grab it. Sarah. Maya pull a hammy.
Oh, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the views from the last yoga challenge video.
Yeah,
that
that
was
was
really
really
cool. It was really cool seeing it like grow over time. Guys, there will be bloopers at the end of this video, like every one of my videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And I'm pretty sure we're not gonna do a part 3, so
If you like this video, get a lot of views, then we'll do a part 3.
Yeah, if there's like more views than the last time, then maybe, but I really don't understand why this video is so popular.
I know. But
comment more things to do.
I also post every Monday. I've been trying to post a lot more videos lately because I'm a dedicated YouTuber now. Just kidding. Actually, I'm trying to be. I don't really do it for the views and stuff. I just do it because it's a lot of fun. And it's kind of my thing. Like, all my friends have hobbies. And my YouTube videos are just my thing. So I like doing them. They're a lot of fun. I love editing. So make sure you guys comment more videos. All of our social media will be in the description, both of ours. Is that it?
I think so. I really want my cereals.
Okay, stay tuned for the bloopers. Okay, bye. Do you want to say anything?
Thanks for watching. Bye. I hate you.
Oh, I hate you too.
Mom, Sierra's being a bully. Sierra?
Which one? Just kidding. I do be choking though.
Ew, my ow! Sierra, that really hurts! That hurts! Mom!
I went like this
And broke my neck.
tattletale.
Ow! Mom, she keeps kicking!
So last time oh, my mouse blew from my jaw.